I make a movie of the little monkey that they have tied up to this some kind of thing. He's really scared. You can see him up there, I think. Oh, he gets to climb the tree a little bit. He's up there. He's hiding. He's scared. He's so scared. And this is a wedding place for people to get married, and I don't understand why they would have this poor little monkey up here. Pretty fucked up, if you ask me. Yeah, that's right. Come on, baby. I know you're scared. I'm sorry. I don't mean to bother you. Okay. I won't bother you anymore. I just want to see your tail again. Okay. There you go. It's a long tail. Yeah. There he goes. You're going that way. Yeah. It's cruel and unusual punishment. Okay. And that's it. Just a little fella. You know. There he goes. Okay. See you soon, I hope. The India rescue.